In this lesson, we want to be able to add a cart button on the front end. So we have home, about, shop. We can add a cart button here. So let's do that. Click on new. From the menu, we want to call this one cart. And where it says menu item type, click on that. Go to EasyStore and you want to click on the cart. And that's pretty much it. So let's click on save and close. So this is going to add an additional menu. Let's reload this so you can see. That's called cart. When you click on it, you don't have anything on the cart. In this case, I do have something, but if I were to remove this, so it's going to say that your cart is, is empty. You can keep shopping. So let's go back to the home and let's say that I want to add this. I'm going to click to add to cart. It's going to ask me, do I want to, visit cart or do I want to check out? So let's visit the cart and see what that looks like. But before we do, let's add, I'm going to add this one too, add to cart. How many quantities? I'm going to add more quantities, 5 quantities for that. And then I'm going to go to visit cart. So now I have the items that I just added to my cart, and I can click to proceed to checkout, or I can continue to shop. In the next lesson, we are going to, see how to process, payment when someone adds something to their cart and kind of go through that checkout process.